In today's lecture, we are going to discuss transpose and the properties of transpose. The properties of transpose is we will have to uh, remember those properties to solve the MCQs which will be coming ahead. So properties you will have to remember by heart. We are going to discuss those properties today which will help you to solve MCQs quickly. Okay, so let us start with transpose of a matrix. Again, you already know what transpose is. So if I take an example, if we take a matrix A, which is 2 1 3 0 minus 1 4, for example, that is matrix A. So then if anybody asks you what is A transpose, how many rows do we have? Horizontally we have 2 rows, and vertical we have 1 2 3 columns. We have 2 rows and 3 columns. So when I'm taking transpose, I'll have to make 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, 3 rows and 2 columns. First row will be written as now first column. Second row will be written as second column. First row will be written as first column. Second row will be written as second column. So that is transpose. Okay, so we have already discussed this in the previous videos. So let us go on to the properties immediately. We'll take this example ahead. A transpose is A. So when you take transpose twice, you get the same matrix back. So already I have written an example over here. We'll continue with that. I have 2 1 3 0 minus 1 4 as A. Then I take A transpose. First row becomes first column, 2 1 3 0 minus 1 4. Second row becomes second column. When I take transpose again, right, so this is 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2, and when I take transpose again, what I'll get is again a matrix which is 2 by 3. First row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become third column. So if you see first matrix where we started A, and if you see this matrix which we have got after taking the transpose twice, we see that A transpose is A. Okay, so when we take transpose twice, we get the same matrix back. Okay, the next property is scalar multiplied to A, scalar K if multiplied to A, and then we take the transpose, or we multiply the scalar outside and we take only the transpose of the matrix A. It's one and the same. So the example is, if I have made matrix A as, let us take the previous matrix 2 1 3 0 minus 1 4, which is 2 rows but 3 columns. Okay, if I multiply this matrix by say 3, so we are going to get 3A. Now when you multiply scalar to a matrix, what happens is each and every element of this matrix will get multiplied by 3, each and every element. So we get 6 3 9 0 minus 3 12. Each and every element of matrix A gets multiplied by 3. And now we are going to take the transpose. 3a the whole transpose. So what we get is first row, it is 3 by 2. You'll get now 3 rows and 2 columns. First row will become first column, 6, 3, 9, 0, minus 3, 12. Second row will become second column. Okay. So 3a the whole transpose. Now what the property says is 3a the whole transpose will be same as 3 times a transpose. So let us check that. So I'll keep 3 outside and we are going to multiply it to a transpose. So we are going to keep 3 outside and we are going to multiply it to the transpose of matrix A. ट्रांसपोज लेना है और फिर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ट्रांसपोज लेना है तो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग इज 2 1 3. व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग नेक्स्ट इज 0 minus 1 4 and when I'm multiplying by 3 what I'm getting is 6 0 3 minus 3 9 and 12. So we get 3 rows 2 columns. Okay. And then when I see 3a the whole transpose, 3a the whole transpose as 1, right? And then I see 3 times a transpose as 2. I see that 3a transpose, 3a the whole transpose is same as 3 times a transpose. So what is the result we are getting? 3a the whole transpose is 3 times a transpose. So that means we can take that 3 outside of this transpose. So 3 multiply करके फिर transpose लो या फिर ट्रांसपोज लेने के बाद 3 मल्टीप्लाई करो, इट इज वन एंड द सेम. यू मल्टीप्लाई द मैट्रिक्स बाय 3 एंड देन टेक द ट्रांसपोज, और यू मल्टीप्लाई और यू फर्स्ट टेक द ट्रांसपोज एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. इट्स वन एंड द सेम. Okay, so that is the second property. Next we are going to do is, next property is a plus b the whole transpose is a plus b the whole transpose is a transpose plus b transpose. Okay, so let us take an example. Let us take examples A. 1 2 minus 1 3. Okay, so we'll find a transpose also simultaneously, which implies a transpose is 1 2. First row will become first column, second row will become second column, minus 1 3. Okay, B is 0 2 1 1. So when I'm going to take B transpose, it is going to be first row becoming first column 0 2 and second row becoming second column 1 1. Okay, now if I see LHS is a plus b the whole transpose, a plus b the whole transpose. So I'm going to add the matrices we have taken in the example. Let us add the matrices. So 1 plus 0, we're going to get 1. First element will be added with first element, second element will be added with second element, 4 आ जाएगा. थर्ड आएगा minus 1 plus 1 0, 3 plus 1 हो जाएगा 4. We are going to take the transpose of that. Okay, so when we are taking the transpose, what we are going to get is first row becomes first column 1 4, second row becomes second column 0 4. So a plus b the whole transpose is 1 0 4 4. Okay, now we're going to find out what will happen when we are going to add the transpose of the two matrices individually. So when we are going to add the transpose, A transpose plus B transpose, सो ए प्लस बी करके ट्रांसपोज ले लिया. अभी ए ट्रांसपोज प्लस बी ट्रांसपोज ऐड करेंगे. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट विल बी एडेड विद फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, वी आर गोइंग टू गेट दिस 1. Second element will be added with second element 0. Third with third 4. 3 plus 1 again is 4. So you see LHS is 1044. You see RHS, that is also 1044. So from 1 and 2 I say LHS is equal to RHS. So what is the property? You add the matrices, then you take the transpose, or you take the transpose and then you add the matrices. The result will be same. So perform the addition first, then take the transpose, or take the transpose first and then perform the addition. It is going to be one and the same. Okay, so these are the properties which we have to remember. There are still more properties coming. Here the property says if you add the matrices, then you take the transpose, or you take the transpose and then you add the matrices, it is one and the same. This property is valid also for subtraction of matrices. Okay, we have verified the matrices properties, transpose properties by taking the examples. Okay. Next property, AB the whole transpose is B transpose A transpose. Very important property with respect to MCQs also. This law is called as reversal law. Why reversal law? Because B transpose A transpose ulta ho gaya isliye. Okay, so this law is called as reversal law. Again, like we have done in the previous properties, we are going to take example. So A as, let us take it as 3 1 2 minus 1 0 1. Okay, we are going to take B as 2 minus 1 1 2. Okay, so A ho gaya, B we have taken as an example. Now let us multiply AB. Is the multiplication possible here? I would say multiplication यहाँ पे आएगा 2 rows 3 columns बराबर, और यहाँ पे फिलहाल है 2 rows 2 columns, 2 rows 2 columns, right? So यहाँ पे number of columns 3 है. अगर अपन multiplication चालू करेंगे in this row wise, there is going to be problem. 3 gets multiplied with 2, 1 gets multiplied with 1. ये 2 का क्या होगा, वो multiply नहीं हो पाएगा because यहाँ पे number of rows से match नहीं कर रहा है number of columns. So here multiplication is not possible. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to take one more row. Okay, so we are going to take one more row. We're going to make the correction in the example taken. यहाँ पे 3 rows 2 column लेना पड़ेगा हम लोग को. 3 rows 2 columns, we will take 2 minus 1 1 2, and then let us take the 2 extra elements as 1 0. Okay, now if you see the number of columns here matches with the number of rows here. 3 multiplication possible है, और multiply करने के बाद we are going to get a matrix which is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, multiply करने के बाद हम लोग को 2 by 2 matrix मिलने वाला है. Yeah, so let us start. AB 3 1 2 minus 1 0 1 gets multiplied to 2 minus 1 1 2 1 0. Okay, So after multiplication, let us take multiplication. यहाँ पे horizontally जाएगा, यहाँ पे vertically जाएगा, row wise, column wise. 3 into 2, we are going to get it as 6 plus 1 plus 2. 6 plus 1 plus 2. Then we have minus 3 plus 2 and 0. So we have minus 3 plus 2. And then we have 0. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 1. Then we have 1 0 0. Right? 1 0 0. And the final answer is going to be 9 minus 1 minus 1 1. That is AB. Okay, we'll be needing the transpose of AB. So AB transpose is going to be 9 minus 1. First row will become first column, second row will become second column. Since AB and AB transpose, we are getting the same. Okay, it is a symmetric matrix. AB, we got AB as a symmetric matrix. This is the diagonal mirror image. So the transpose is going to be same as the matrix in case of symmetric matrices. See, that is the next property which you need to remember. If A is symmetric, A transpose is A. Okay, यहाँ पे वही हुआ, AB जो है वो diagonal 9 और 1 वाला है, उसमें symmetric है, तो transpose लेने के बाद भी हम लोग को same matrix वापस मिल रहा है. AB transpose is same as AB. Okay, but right now we are going to prove the reversal law. So to prove the reversal law, I need to now take B transpose multiplied to A transpose. B transpose में what we are going to get is a 2 by 3 matrix. 3 by 2 का 2 by 3 हो जाएगा B transpose में. And what we are going to get is first row becoming first column, 2 minus 1, 1 2, 1 0 gets multiplied to A transpose. So A transpose मतलब A का transpose लेना है, 3 rows 2 columns, और 3 rows 2 columns में अभी फर्स्ट रो का बन जाएगा फर्स्ट कॉलम 3 1 2, सेकेंड रो का बन जाएगा सेकेंड कॉलम, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई द मैट्रिसेस. मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हम लोग को 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स मिलने वाला है. 3 3 मैच हो रहा है. ओके, सो number of columns here is matching with the number of rows here. Let us do horizontally. यहाँ पे जाएगा, यहाँ पे हम लोग का vertically जाएगा. We get 2 into 3, 6 plus 1 plus 2. 6 plus 1 plus 2 is going to be 9. Then we have minus 2, 0, 1, right? Minus 2 plus 0 plus 1, that is first row second column. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 1 is minus 1. Then we have second row first column, minus 3 plus 2 plus 0. So minus 3 plus 2 plus 0 is minus 1. Then we have second row second column, we have 1 0 0. Okay, so that is B transpose A transpose. It's coming same as AB the whole transpose. You can see AB the whole transpose, yeah, and you can see B transpose A transpose, right? So this is called as reversal law. B transpose A transpose उल्टा हो जाएगा. AB the whole transpose can be written as B transpose A transpose, उल्टा हो जाएगा. Okay, now the next is very simple. If A is symmetric, A transpose is A. We have discussed this before, so let us take an example. अब यहाँ पे जो है compulsorily we have to say the matrices which we are going to discuss under symmetric and skew symmetric are square matrices. It is compulsory. The matrices are square matrices. So I can say that a symmetric square matrix will be 2 1 -1. Diagonal में आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो, but A12 will be same as A21, Aij will be same as Aj. मिरर इमेज होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे 4 है तो यहाँ पे भी 4 होना चाहिए. That is A. So when I take A transpose, क्या हो जाता है? देखो डायगोनल में the elements are mirror image, therefore the elements are symmetric or the matrix is symmetric, we say. And after taking the transpose, first row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become third column. But over in that, what we see is 2 1 -1 diagonal है, 3 3 0 0 4 4 का image है. What we see is A transpose is same as A. Okay, but what we are discussing is only the square matrices. Okay, so till now we have done 5 properties. Okay, remaining properties I'm going to do in the next video. The important property, very important property, which we will be needing in MCQs a lot, AB transpose is B transpose A transpose. That's called as reversal law, verified here.